It's Mommy J Cooks again, and today we are making some beef soya. Ready to eat, we're going to cut our meat into bite-sized pieces, and we're going to season and pop that into our oven. And today, because I didn't have some plantain readily available at home, we're going to have the soya with potatoes, some fried and some baked. Yeah, I know that is unconventional. That's why it's Mommy J Cooks. We're gonna season our meat. We're gonna go in some salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, curry powder, some salt, some beef seasoning, vegetable oil, and then pop it into the oven. And while it's baking, I want us to have a chit chat. And by the way, I'm a lover of Jesus. I love Jesus. I love church. And while I was in church on Sunday during the worship session, I saw some couples worshiping God, reverencing God. I mean, literally soaked in worship. And to tell you the truth, if you are a couple out there and you have a spouse that shares the same values as you, my dear, you don't know what the Lord has done for you. Yes, most probably you've never thought of it like this, but here's an opportunity for you to give yourself a moment and think of it and be grateful. So I want you to picture this. You wake up on a Sunday, you take a shower, your partner takes a shower, you get dressed, he gets dressed, and maybe the Lord has given you guys some kids. You prepare them as well. You dress them up. Everyone looking smashing. Everyone looking elegant. Everyone looking, you literally see outstanding people. And if the Lord again has blessed you with a car, you majestically walk down those stairs and get into your car and drive to church. You take a seat, he takes his, and your kids take theirs. And worship session begins, and you find your partner soaked in worship, and you are worshiping God as well in total humility. My dear, you don't know what the Lord has done for you. Yes, that is the goodness, the faithfulness of the Lord in HD. I say this to you in all humility. I know that we have a lot of things that we go to Jesus to complain about, but again, take some time and show gratitude to him. Yes, show him some gratitude for the things that he has done for you. And now we are baking our second batch of soya with our potato together. And look at this, everything coming together. So we are going to serve this. Of course, it looks delicious. But as you eat this soya, I want you to think of the goodness of God. I want you to be grateful. Celebrate that man. Be grateful to God for that woman. It is the faithfulness of the Lord. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.